Hello, this is my project Digital Alarm Clock, which I have created using HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript. The functionality of this alarm is that it shows the time in the format HHMM and SS, and it also have option to set multiple alarms. First, I will go through and show you how we can set alarm and how a user can work on this. So basically, if you see here, this is the current time. And if a user wants to set alarm, he can click on this select item and create an alarm for him. Like I have selecting a time which is 2, let's suppose 47 and 00, and I'm turning this to PM. After I'm set alarm, there it will be created here, and there will be a button also to delete the alarm. So at first I'll show you how the alarm rings when the time of the current time is equal to the alarm time. So you can hear the beep sound which is coming up, and when if you want to stop this alarm, we just have to click on the delete button. Again, if we have set an alarm for the basically letter time for around 50 uh, for around 250, then we also have option to delete this alarm at any point of time. It will be deleted. This is the uh, user perspective of my project. Now going through the code, I'll show you what I have done. I have created a HTML page which is rendering this alarm clock. If you can see, I have created different select item for hours, minutes, and seconds, and AM, PM. I have provided a button on which uh, there is a event in JavaScript. When this is clicked, then alarm is being set, and this is the div which shows all the alarm clock, and uh, JavaScript adds list item to this div which also has a delete button. If we go to index.js file, we can see uh, uh, I have fetched all the objects from the HTML to this JavaScript file using the query selector. Like whatever user is selecting in these uh, select items, the user is getting it here. When user is clicking on submit button, then this set alarm button is the event for this. If you can see, there is a add event listener button, which when get clicked, there is a one method get input which gets called, and this method is basically fetches the value of whatever user has selected and calls the set alarm button. If you see how the when the page loads, how the time shows, then this is the event listener I have added to Windows. Basically, when the first time the HTML page is rendered, this event is called DOM content loaded, and if you can see it, it has it creates the three drop down menu of hours, minutes, and seconds. uh, and at every 1 second it fetches the current time and shows it to the HTML, and uh, uh, it also calls a method fetch alarms, which fetches all the alarms which currently user has and shows it in the list. So I will show you the method drop down menu and fetch alarms. In drop down menu, you can see whatever we are selecting here, the range of the value we need, we are hovering over it, and at every option we are putting it in the values. And uh, in the element tab which is there, we are appending it. The fetch alarm method basically fetches the alarm, all the alarm from local storage, and shows it in the UI. If you see, it's checking the alarm, and for each alarm it's doing a set alarm thing. If you see check alarms, then check alarms Then check alarms method is basically fetching the list of alarms from the local storage, and if this alarm is active, then basically it's putting it in the list alarms and returning it. So basically this has all the alarms, and we are putting one more time when we are saving one more alarm. This is the whole flow of my JavaScript code. And talking about styling, this is the styling which I have done. It's simple CSS code. That's all my project is. Thank you very much.